everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 1979 quarter dollar, and some of these coins could be worth more than you think. Coin overview: the 1979 Washington quarter was minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Most of these are only worth face value in circulated condition, but certain error coins and high-grade examples can be quite valuable to collectors. Errors to look for: be on the lookout for off-center strikes, double die obverse, where details like Liberty or In God We Trust look blurry, or doubled clip planchet errors. A 1979 quarter with a dramatic error can sell from $50 to over $200, depending on the condition. Mint marks and value: if you find a 1979 S-proof coin, especially with a Type 2 clear S, it could be worth $50 to $100 plus. Graded MS-67 quarters from Philly or Denver can also fetch $100 or more at auction. Outro plus call to action: so next time you get a 1979 quarter, don't just spend it, check it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other coin collectors. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.